Every shot in this library got watched and described. And not by a person. This library is a demo build for a luxury travel operator with the kind of content they would have us organize. There are 122 shots, every one named, dated, located, and described on the way in. The process allows us to build client video libraries at speed and scale. That word I just typed for search isn't in a single file name. It isn't in a single tag. The search results produce clips from 3 countries with one idea, and it found the shots. Pick the shots, build the sequence, cut at the real shot boundaries, not fixed slices. In the same library is the other half of our tool. This one reads transcripts instead of frames. It knows who's speaking, so a brief can name one person and get only that one person speaking, even if there are 2 or 3 speakers in a clip. With one implementation of a library like this for our clients, every project becomes a campaign. Nothing gets lost. Nobody has to go looking for footage ever again.